Why is YouTube TV family sharing not working? Let's troubleshoot the issue. YouTube TV allows up to 6 accounts per household, but problems with family sharing can arise due to a few reasons. First, ensure that all users are properly added to your account under the Membership section in Settings. Each user needs their own unique Google account and profile to access the service. Another common issue is location verification. YouTube TV requires all family members to live at the same primary address. If someone tries to access the service from a different location frequently, it may block their access. Double-check that everyone's location aligns with the home address on the account. Additionally, if you've reached the device limit of 6 simultaneous streams, other users won't be able to join until a stream is freed up. Ensure no unused devices are logged in. Finally, glitches with the app or browser can cause issues. Try logging out and back in, clearing the cache, or restarting the device. If problems persist, contact YouTube TV support for further assistance. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.